Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. Welcome to Crypto Bulls on Parade. I am Dustin, and I'm trying to find out where the bulls at. Where are the bulls at? Today is May 22nd, 2022, and the price of Bitcoin is $30,109.93. Guys, today we're going to be talking about STEPN. I know you guys have heard of it. I'm going to give you my take on that. But before we do that, don't forget to hit those like buttons, subscribe to the channel, click those notification buttons so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. As always, I like to follow the smart money. One of the smartest people that I believe is in cryptocurrency is Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor put out this tweet 37 minutes ago. It says, on January 3rd, 2009, Bitcoin was born, operating without economic value for 504 days until May 22nd, 2010, Pizza Day, when two pizzas traded for 10,000 BTC. Satoshi disappeared December 13th, 2010, without profiting in any way, completing the ethical launch of the world's first digital money. I like that tweet. There's another tweet right down here that was put out yesterday. It says, the Twitter bots must be destroyed. Guys, post me a comment if you even know what that means. Right now, we're going to be talking about STEPN, guys. Some people out there are saying, first of all, I'm sure you know what STEPN is. If you have hit or clicked on this video, you know what STEPN is, right? It's a move to earn app, right? You walk, you jog, you run, and you get the native token of STEPN, which is GST or GMT, right? Depending on what level you are, what kind of shoe you have. And I know you guys are wondering right now, am I too late to get in? Articles that are out right now, and is STEPN running GMT run coming to an end, on-chain metrics, blah, 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 blah. All this stuff basically is talking about the GMT token, and it's saying because it fell so much. Well, can you name any token right now, any coin right now that hasn't fallen, that isn't in some sort of bearish trend right now? So I don't agree with that. I don't agree with, people saying stuff like that about STEPN. I was very skeptical of STEPN for the longest time. I was like, man, I don't know about this thing. You have to, it's still in beta version, and I have to get a code to be able to, an invitation code to be able to get in. I can't just go and download the app and get in, and then to be able to get a shoe is super expensive. And should I do this? And I'm going to tell you guys right now, I just got it a few days ago, and I think it's amazing. It's absolutely, it's a really cool app. If you think about the way that it works, the purpose of it is to get people out there and exercising. So, of course, the purpose of the company, the purpose of this company is to make money. Okay, and you can sit there and beat yourself up about, well, how did they make money and what is it that they do? From what I found out, they gave away 10,000 NFTs. They airdropped 10,000 NFTs at the very beginning. Sneakers, different NFTs at the very beginning. Everything that you see on sale right now on the site or on an external site, or I mean in the app or on an external site, is from the users that are using those things. So they get a sneaker, they upgrade it, or do whatever they want to with it. Sometimes they're minting them. A sneaker can be minted up to 7 times. They do that, and they can resell that minted sneaker, or they can keep it, or they fix up a sneaker and they resell that. And so all of that stuff is creating a flow of currency, right? Of the native currency, of the GST or the GMT, right? And so that's what's happening there. It's really hard when so I'll tell you right now, it is really hard when once you get it, it's hard not to just keep trying to upgrade and just like, man, I want the best of the best. But I'm telling you right now, I went to the most expensive shoe, and I think it's $500,000. $500,000. And I know you guys have heard. I mean, think about the cool thing is you own a piece of history, okay? Because this is history, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's an NFT. You're owning an NFT. You're owning a piece of history, but so that's cool. So that's cool. And if you're just looking for an ROI, from what I gather is, check this out. We're gonna go through this right here. Look at this. So this was put out by STEPN on their Twitter. It says, why we are confident that STEPN will emerge as one of the most potent apps post this bear market and overcome bear blues. And then you can read the thing there. Well, what they're saying there is they're saying we're in a bear market right now. And I recently downloaded it in a bear market. It ended up costing me about 15 Solana. Okay. And right now everything's at a discount. So it's better than it was, you know, but my return on investment would be about 40 days. Okay. So after 40 days, you know, sky's the limit, right? You just continue to make money. And I make around about $20 a day. Okay. Give or take, depending on what GST, because right now, whenever you're at that low of a level, I don't think you start earning GMT till you're like level 30, and I think that's like the last level, and then you can pick whether you want GST or GMT. I'm at level 9, and so I'm GST for sure. It'll take me about 40 days to be able to pay off the shoe, okay? So 40 days. Now, as long as nothing crazy happens in 40 days, you know, and if you have a more expensive shoe, you know, it could take you less time, but your initial investment is going to be higher. And what I hear a lot of people saying is, you know, I don't want to pay that much, you know, just to start earning money. It's like, this isn't a job. This isn't a job where you give them work and then they pay you for the work that you do. This is an investment. And so I'm sure you've heard the term, you got to spend money to make money. This is one of those types of things. Will STEPN last forever? I have no idea. I do not know. One of the cool things is that they are very, if you look at who is on their team, super cool. I think like the CEO of Adidas has tweeted about them. Really cool team, really cool. This to me is just cool. This is the future, and this is a part of history. And so I think that's awesome. That is going to be all the news for today. Guys, if you have any questions or if you have something to add to this, let me know in the comments section. And as always, we like to check out the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It is at 14 still, extreme fear. Guys, trade smart, trade safe, and I will see you guys mañana.